3, 2,
Wow! Oh my gosh! Ako ba to, Dok?
When she was in high school, she was always bullied.
Sabi ko, Mom, bakit ganito? Bakit I look different from the others?
So yun yung goal natin, na mag-gain nila yung confidence nila, mawala yung bullying, yung syempre yung stigma.
Congratulations!
Gusto kong maramdaman, yung makita ko yung sarili ko in front of the mirror. And then finally, I would be able to say na, ako yan. Ganda! Grabe! May comfort na nag-hug sa akin na parang, ito na yung tutulong sa'yo para magbago na yung buhay mo. Thank you so much!
You really look like a Barbie now.
Hi,
Doc.
Mika.
Good
Please have a seat.
afternoon, Doc. Thank you, Doc.
Okay, make yourself comfortable. Mika, how are you?
I'm fine, Doc.
Okay.
My name's Micaela. People call me Mika. Currently, I'm 25 years old. Flight operations assistant and marketing in charge.
I'd like to first congratulate you for winning. Next is to ask you with your expectations. Ano yung mga ina-expect mong changes?
The reason why I joined the not competition, the giveaway was all because yung nose ko nga po, Doc.
When she was in high school, she was always bullied because of the facial features.
Curly-haired kasi ako. At the same time, dark-skinned ako. Yung pinaka na-highlight sa akin was my nose since it's a bulbous nose. Sabi ko, Mom, bakit ganito? Bakit I look different from the others?
May I know, ito na ba yung gusto mo since you were a kid?
Yes, Doc. Di ba projected siya, Doc, na medyo naka-lift.
Upturned, you mean?
Upturned,
Okay.
sorry. Upturned po.
So, Elise is different because from the time you walk into the door, makikita mo from the staff to the doctors, they'll talk to you in a way na you're seen. I-address nila yung gusto mo, and at the end of the day, parang magiging friend mo na rin sila. Okay, Mika, I'd like you to meet Doc Kate.
Hello, Mika. I'm Doc Kate. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Kamusta? How's your consultation with Doc Arlec?
Okay naman po.
How young are you now pala?
25, Doc.
Ah, bata-bata pa. Pero you're working na ba? Or nag-aaral pa?
Yes, Doc. Working na po.
Okay. Sige. So, let's start na our assessment. Unahin natin yung kay Doc Arlec sa surgical site.
Sure.
Okay?
Okay. So, Mika, napag-usapan natin kanina yung sa ilong mo.
Yes.
No? So, ang gusto mo is slightly upturned ang tip. And yung sa alars, dapat ma-reduce sana. No, wala pa naman tayong pinagawang any procedure dito, no?
Actually, Doc, meron na po. May po siya, may threads po siya, Doc. Here, on this part po, tsaka yung dito, Doc.
Okay, so when was this? How long ago?
July po, last
July.
year, Doc.
So it's very important na matanggal natin any irregularities sa nose, most especially kung may threads, may fillers ang isang patient, because if we replace that with an implant, kapag hindi natin naayos ang shape or yung structure ng skin, magiging obvious siya. Next, yung dun sa may alars. Pakita natin, side lang ng konti. So, nakikita natin na may konti tayong overhang, no? Ang ideal kasi na shape ng nose is prominent ang ating columella or mas nakalabas siya compare sa ating alars. So, ang gagawin natin, dahil hanging alar siya, we'll reduce this one and make it more pronounced or retracted na a bit, then yung sa columella will advance that. Pag na-lift na ang tip ng nose, usually ang alars natin na-reduce na rin ang size. So, titignan natin after the surgery kung kailangan pa ba nating i-reduce ang size sa gilid ng inyong alars or kasama yon sa alarplasty. Kasi syempre, dapat within the intercanthal distance, yung magfo-fall ang ating alars. So, ipapasok natin yun ng konti.
Wala akong specific person na peg. Pero sabi ko naman kay Doc during my consultation, kung hanggang saan lang kaya nung anatomy nung nose ko, I'd be cool with that.
May gusto ka pa bang itanong when it comes to rhinoplasty?
Ano lang, Doc, kung gaano po katagal usually yung kailangan kong ipahinga
Okay.
after the surgery.
Oh, that's a good question. So we advise patients at least 1 to 2 weeks na magstay muna indoors, no? Meron tayong mga do's and don'ts. So, don'ts, no heavy lifting. So, when it comes to strenuous activities, bawal muna tayong magbuhat, most especially if it causes pressure sa ating nose. Sa work mo, you can do light work Pero yung mga tipong nasa laptop lang,
Yes.
yes, no strenuous activities. Bawal tayong mag-swimming, bawal mabasa ang ilong. Kasi syempre, meron tayong mga puncture sites din sa loob. Bawal silang mapasukan ng dumi. Number 3, dapat hindi mo maskip ang medications. And most especially, dapat meron kang rest and adequate hydration, syempre. Okay? So may questions ka pa when it comes to yung sa rhinoplasty or surgery?
I have a history na meron po akong allergic rhinitis. Meron po ba akong kailangang gawin para hindi po ma-trigger just in case yung post-care po?
Okay. So hahanapin natin yung certain triggers mo. And you have to avoid those using face mask or trying to avoid yung areas na meron siya. Most common causes of allergic rhinitis, dust, pollens, animal danders.
So, does that mean to say, Doc, kailangan kong i-avoid for a certain period of time kasi may dog po ako, Doc?
Kung yung dog mo causes your allergies, so
Nakaka-relate ako dyan, Doc Arlex.
meron din ba to? Okay. So, yun ha. So, pwede, as much as possible, i-avoid muna yung pets exposures, ha?
Okay.
Second, we'll investigate further kung ano yung mga medications na tinitake ng isang patient, such as antihistamines, no? Para makontrol ng kanilang allergies. And third, when we do your rhinoplasty, check na rin natin yung loob ng nose kung meron bang structural deformities or pwede tayong i-correct while doing your rhinoplasty. Para at least, during your transition, habang naghihilang nose, nag-i-improve din ang allergic rhinitis. Okay, nasagot ko ba yung tanong mo?
Yes, Doc.
Okay,
Yes.
sige.
Nung nakausap ko yung mga patients, ang dami din nilang parang gustong i-enhance sa sarili nila. And sobrang natuwa ako na they're very open and they're very willing na maging confident pa sila lalo.
Bukod doon, ano pang concern mo?
Doc, lagi akong nasasabihan kasi na medyo chubby po.
Kahit
Kahit na naka-OMAD naman ako, Doc.
talaga?
Exercise
Kaya mo?
ako, Doc. Yes,
Okay,
Doc.
sige.
So, parang moon face, kumbaga, Doc.
mm-mm.
So, baka pwedeng medyo
Ma-improve.
Yes.
Okay. Sige. So, sa fat natin here, may dalawang possible options ka. First is the surgical side na pwedeng i-discuss ni Doc Arlex. So, unahin natin yon ha?
Okay, so Mika, narinig ko yung concern mo when it comes to sa cheeks, no? Para mas contour siya, pwede tayong mag-buccal fat removal. So, sa buccal fat removal, we access it intraorally. So, magtatanggal tayong certain portion ng fat inside the cheeks to make it a bit more contoured. You just have to take care of your wound after. Meaning, bawal kumain ng malalansa and you have to practice good oral hygiene after the procedure, no?
So, kamusta? With regards sa lahat ng na-feed namin sa'yo na information, anong nafe-feel mo right now?
right now, Doc, medyo na-info overload ako. Pero super grateful po. At least mas naintindihan ko po, Doc, yung mga gagawing procedure. Siguro yung kaba, mga 5% lang. 95% excited po. talaga.
Naliwanagan, no?
Yes.
So, okay.
Akala ko at first rhinoplasty lang po eh. Tapos sabi ko parang, seryoso ba, Doc? Talagang isasagad na natin to. Tapos sobrang grateful lang po talaga.
So, yun, Mika, we'll see you on your schedule.
Yes,
It
Doc.
was nice to talk to you.
Thank you so much, Doc.
Thank you, Doc Arlex.
Hi, I'm Doc Ann from Elise Aesthetics. So today we will be doing the case of Mika together with Doc Arlex. So watch out for her transformation as we set her beauty free. Let's Elise it!
Anak, I know you're a very strong woman like me. This is now your dream. I love you, anak. I will support you no matter what.
Love you too, Ma. It's a mixture of excitement and takot at the same time. Gusto kong maramdaman after I heal, yung makita ko yung sarili ko in front of the mirror. And then finally, I would be able to say na, ako yan.
Her case is revision rhinoplasty after threads. So yung threads tatanggalin natin. We were able to remove the threads. So 6 of them dito sa bridge. And also, makita natin yung actual height ng nose niya and yung roundness ng tip. And then for the tip, we will harvest ear cartilage and put it sa tip para mas maging pointy from round, and the alars ibabagay natin dun sa overall features niya. So this procedure, we call it Elise Barbie nose or rhinoplasty because we will enhance the entire structure of her nose. And for the buccal fat, it's now contoured. So this is
I know it will help her a lot. It will make her more confident, sociable, and then she would be able to work well.
Hi, Mika! Hi! Congratulations! Tapos na. You're now Mika 2.0.
Yes,
Thank you so much, Ado. Thank you so much, Elise, the staff, all of you. Thank you so much.
Welcome back to Elise Aesthetics.
Thank you.
How are we now?
I'm feeling good today.
Okay, that's good to hear. How are we with medicine, ma'am? Nakayanan ba natin?
Yeah, a bit strong lang. Nakaka-groggy siya. Pero syempre, I've been eating a lot din.
Yes. Yun dun sa temperature ng foods natin, ma'am. Nakayanan ba? Okay ba?
Yeah, okay naman. Room temp.
Room
As
temp,
advised by the doctor.
Okay, that's good, ma'am. I think we may take a sip for now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ang nag-alaga po sa akin was my mom. So, I'm really grateful sa support niya from Manila to Batangas. Pinatsaga niya puntahan ako just to make sure that I'll be able to heal properly and be able to take my meds din on time.
Hi, Mika! How are you? So this is your 1 week post-op, no? Before anything else, how do you feel right now?
I feel so good, Doc. Thanks for everything po.
So, kamusta naman yung tulog mo last night?
Actually, Doc, I wasn't able to sleep kasi super excited lang po talaga.
So, yung tulog mo last night compared nung the night before the surgery, ano yung mas kinabahan ka?
Actually, the night before surgery, Doc. Yes po. Kasi nandun yung nag-overthink ka, Doc, ganyan. At the same time, siguro kasi kailangan mas prepared ka so mas maraming kinain mo na, Doc, in a way. Ganun.
And after the surgery, kamusta? Ano ang mga challenges? Kamusta yung healing? Besides the one we explained, ano yung mga naiba?
To be honest, Doc, more of like siguro naging impatient ako in a way na gusto ko na kasi siyang makita
Gusto mo
talaga
siya.
agad-agad, Doc.
Okay, so this is the moment of truth.
Moment of truth na, Doc. Ito na.
Yes, this is the moment.
Okay, 3, 2,
Wow! Wala, Doc! Oh my gosh! Ako matulog! Finally, makakausap ko na yung sarili ko na thanks for holding on right now. Na-achieve na natin yung ultimate dream natin.
And ito na po si Mika.
Wala, ampun mo na talaga ako. Officially, Mama. Hello.
kamusta, ma'am?
Ano po ang masasabi ninyo sa transformation ni Mika?
Naluluwa si Mami.
Speechless. What will I say? Only if Papa is alive, I know. He's very happy.
Parang it's not just the nose that you helped me out with. You were able to rebuild my lost self-confidence. Yung rhinoplasty, it's not just about aesthetic for me. It's more of about parang taking every opportunity there is. In aviation kasi looks are everything eh. So, alam mo yun, I feel like mas magiging confident ako to talk to them. Ready to conquer the world.
Yes, yes. Naku,
Yes,
excited kami sa magiging potential ni Mika. Ayan, sige, mag-picture na tayo.
Naiyak na si Mami. Naiyak na si Mami.
Okay, sige, let's take a photo.
Okay,
Smile.
Finally, na-achieve na natin yung dreams natin. Gusto ko rin pong lumabas with the new me, better me, and then the more confident me.
Doc, super ganda. Thank you so much, din.
Thank you.
I'm so happy. Thank you for the trust. And mas gaganda pa yan.
For everything.
Oo, mas gaganda pa yan.
Thank
After,
you, Dong.
Mas kita tayo after 7 days. Pwede na natin gawin yung mga non-surgical.
Thank you po, Dong.
Thank you din for the trust. May part ka rin ba sa sarili mo na gusto mong i-improve? Share your story with us.
Malay mo, ikaw na ang susunod. So, it's time to release it!